Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to cancel your first Premier Bank credit card. To cancel your first Premier credit card, the first thing you'll need to do is to open a web browser. Go to the URL box and then type in firstpremier.com and search. Once you get to the official website for First Premier Bank, from the main official web page, go ahead and call on the customer service number located at the top right corner, and then mention that you'd like to cancel your credit card. The customer service representative then will guide you through the process. Remember that in order to cancel your credit card, you will need to pay off any remaining balance on the card. Make sure to inquire about any minimum payment requirements to avoid late fees. After the phone call, it is a good practice to follow up with an email requesting confirmation for the cancellation, and this will provide a paper trail for your records as well. So that is how you will be able to cancel your credit card for First Premier Bank. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.